today, the vlog that I'm going to do for today is about the unboxing my order through Shopee, which is I bought it for 319 pesos only, and this is a wooden shoe rack made of bamboo. So, ayan, come and join me unboxing this order that I've got for today for the wooden shoe rack, wherein I'm going to unbox it and being delivered by GNT Express. So I ordered this September 30th, and it was being delivered by 5, I think. Yeah, I received it Monday. So today I'm going to unbox it and show you how it works. So ayan, ordering this shoe rack will organize your home, you organize your house, organize the cleanliness of your home. And so I'm going to show it to you. So I'll open it. I'm showing this just because if you're going to order to Shopee, you will be the one to fix it, you assemble it. So it's not being assembled, so you will do it yourself. So this is it. These are the things that you are going to use. Of course, we have here the nails. Oh my! Oh, this is it. So I'm going to assemble it. I'm going to show you after assembling this shoe rack, wooden shoe rack. I like the color because it pairs, or it works with the floor, the color of the floor, the tile floor. So like that. So I'm going to show it to you. So these are the things that I'm going to assemble. And so we have here the manual that we're going to be using, like that. So here is what we're going to do for today, or activity for today. So ayan, let me fix it, and later on I'm going to be showing you how does it works and how it looks after assembling this kind of shoe rack that I've ordered through Shopee. So ayan, if you're going to be ordering, you use Shopback for you to be added in your earnings, because earnings is going to your cashback, so you can use it for another ordering via online, the Shopback that I'm talking. So and of course, in assembling this one, these are the utensils that we're going to use. You must have to have the screwdriver, wherein you are going to connect it in here like this. So ayan, I'll be showing you. So it already has the hole that you're going to be doing it this way. So even girls can do it their way, their own. So you can just work it out. It's so easy, very simple steps on assembling it. The only thing that you're going to have is be patient, and sooner or later you're going to be fixing it well, and you're doing your job well. So yeah, that's it. So you can just put it in here, and the next level would be putting another one here. So just be patient, and soon you'll finish it. that I ordered. That's after the assembling. That how it looks. So you can use it. You're ready for use to be putting your shoes in here. As you can see, it was just a home. You do it yourself, assembling this wooden shoe rack that I ordered through Shopee. So let me show you on how to put your shoes off to see the beauty in it after putting the shoes. Anyway, this is not just a shoe rack. This is a multi-purpose wherein you can put your flowers on top of it. Your flowers, like, you know. So I'll be showing you on how to be putting your shoes off. So it's just like that. Organized, and it's good to see. So you can also put on your flowers here like that at the back of it. Like that. So that's how the beauty of this wooden shoe rack that I bought. That's the shoe rack that I bought in Shopee. So if you shop up, that's how organized everything we are going to buy. You know. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my vlog for today, and God bless us all. If you're not yet connected to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and of course don't forget to tap the notification bell for you to be notified for the next vlog that I'm going to be showing you about do it yourself house beautification, house organizer. So thank you so much, and God bless us all.